Hey guys, it's me, Matt Lamar here. Welcome back to my channel. And yep, today's video is that it's been 7 years since we had the bad Hurricane Sandy. Yep, it was pretty bad, and I don't live in New York anymore, and this is how I remember it. Yep, I lost power for like a few days, and I couldn't go to school back in 2012, so yep. And I couldn't go trick-or-treating for Halloween. I don't remember that, but I'm going this year, so yep. And one of the worst hurricanes I've ever been in. Sorry guys, I have a cough. And I was in 4th grade when it happened. And people lost their homes. And yeah, with flooding, there was a lot of flooding. People lost power. I didn't lose my home or lost power. So yeah, since I moved like 3 years ago. So yeah. It's been 7 years since that big storm happened. Yep. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.